Can a Ninja H2R beat our Tesla Model S Track Plaid from a dig on this half-mile airstrip? I'm SS Bob, and let's find out here on The Sound of Speed. What a perfect day here at Marion Municipal Airport in Marion, Indiana. We brought our Tesla here to race some of the fastest supercars and superbikes in the U.S. Today, we're going 2 rounds with a Ninja H2R at the request of our viewers who assert that the Ninja superbike will walk the Tesla in a half-mile from a dig with a better launch than was shown in our previous video. So we're including round 1 again in this video as a starting point so you can analyze the race and refresh your memory. Now, our round 1 race is the Tesla Track Plaid versus the black Ninja H2R that is supercharged and weighs about 476 pounds without the rider. This bad-to-the-bone bike accelerates like a bullet train. Our Tesla Model S Track Plaid is an EV that makes 1,020 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, and the horsepower equivalent to a 1,250 brake horsepower internal combustion engine car that delivers it through all-wheel drive. It weighs a little over 4,700 pounds. Now, it's important to note that our Tesla is running 82% power for this first race with no passengers.
Looks like we got
now,
another
let's
bike
listen to
coming
the announcers
back
and watch to see who
why
arrives
my
at the
screen
half-mile
there, but we've
finish
got a bike
line
in
first
what appears to be a
from a dead
Panamera.
stop or a dig.
Looks like a Tesla, Jimmy.
I can't tell. I mean, good thing you're here because I'm unsupervised right now and that gets scary.
Where's Phil? He needs to supervise.
Yeah, where did Phil go? We didn't even notice. Too many fun things to do. Where's Phil? I don't know. This is Dustin. He's looking for 200 anything on the bike. The way he went around that Tesla, he might have got it. We're waiting here for the mile an hour.
Wow, he was close.
Yeah, 196.9. Missed it by that much. Close, though. You know he's looking for 200, Brooke. You know he is. And then we got Bob. Bob here in the Tesla Model S. Just everything's been over 174 miles an hour, multiple passes. Crazy. 178.3 lap time.
Our second race against the black Ninja H2R is later in the day. Even though the EV makes 1,020 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, and delivers that through all-wheel drive, we have validated that for every drop in charge of 5 to 7%, the car runs 1 to 2 miles per hour slower over the same distance. The Track Plaid weighs 4,700 pounds versus 476 for the Ninja, not counting the driver or passenger, and the Tesla is now at 68% of charge, with a 6-foot passenger weighing over 200 pounds in the car that was not on the first race. Again, let's listen and watch to see who crosses the finish line
in the
first.
Ninja H2 coming up against Bob in the Tesla Track Plaid. Dustin's really looking for that 200 anything, Brooke. Bob in the Tesla at 179, so he's probably looking for a 178. They stayed side by side there for a long time. Mile an hour coming up.
Talk about diversity. I love seeing these bikes racing with the cars.
It is fun, huh? Kind of a unique thing here in half-mile racing. Don't see that a lot. Love seeing it.
Please subscribe, watch our videos, hit the like button, and comment so that we can continue to bring you exciting content and use your feedback to improve our videos. Again, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.